Shine bright up all night. We're never slowing down.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial will be on this eye makeup look. It is lavender smoky glitter eye makeup. If you are interested in knowing how to get this eye makeup done step by step, then please continue watching this tutorial. The links to the products that I would be using in this tutorial are in the description box below. If you are interested in purchasing any, then please check the links mentioned in the description box below. The first thing that I would do is highlight my brow bone using foil from Swiss Beauty. This is a very beautiful foil in silver tone. Next I am using this eyeshadow and packing it on my crease. This is Focalure palette. Link to this palette is again in the description box below. A very beautiful palette. Move the brush back and forth and in circular motion on crease. I am applying the same on my outer V. This is Pro Art PE29 brush, a pencil brush. Next I am using purple eyeshadow and covering my eyelid. Cover whole of your eyelid using this eyeshadow. These are the only two eyeshadows that I have used. The other eyeshadow would be glitter. It is two matte eyeshadows and one glitter eyeshadow eye makeup. Begin blending it with the first eyeshadow. Blend the purple eyeshadow with the first eyeshadow. Move the brush back and forth and in circular motion. Hold the brush very lightly. It will take time. Do this for a considerable amount of time. Keep moving. I am reapplying purple eyeshadow back. While blending it fades, you have to reapply it back again to intensify. Next I am using lavender glitter. Pick this perfect lavender glitter. I would be covering half the eye using this glitter. Do not cross your crease line, keep it within the crease line. Pull it towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V. Pull only the mid glitter towards the outer V. Clear the glitter fallouts. Next I am using liquid eyeshadow as eyeliner. This is a complex process, but the tip here or the hack here is to place the liquid eyeshadow just here and begin applying it on the crease line to highlight your crease line. Remove the excess in the wand, clean the excess thoroughly and place only on the tip. If you do so, you will be able to achieve it easily. This step is time consuming. Take your time, don't hurry, be patient and highlight your crease line. After this, I would be applying eyeliner. I am creating winged eyeliner. I am using liquid eyeliner from Insight. This is very shiny and glossy and affordable at the same time. Next I am creating pointed inner corner. Pointed inner corner shapes your eye and eye makeup looks very beautiful. After creating pointed inner corner, this takes practice. Be very careful. Keep the point very sharp. The sharper the pointed inner corner, the more beautiful your eye makeup looks. Next I am coating kajal on my waterline. I am using Nykaa Black Magic Kajal. Smudge the kajal. Use the purple eyeshadow when smudging. The traces of the purple eyeshadow should be visible and the kajal also should seem smudged. Now I am coating mascara on my eyelashes. Intensify your upper and lower eyelashes well. Coating mascara. Mascara enhances your eyelashes. When you are applying mascara on your lower eyelashes, use the tip of the wand. And it's done. This is the final look. If you like this eye makeup tutorial, then please consider subscribing my channel for more such tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.